Hi, this is Sarah, and today we will be making a Fablossom Bird of Paradise. The difficulty level is 5. The Fablossom Bird of Paradise is very unique. The petals have a triangular shape. Here are the parts you need: 6 large circles, 6 small circles, an inner ring, an outer ring, a gem back, a gem, and a felt donut with an attachment. So first we're going to take the outer ring and put it in the center of the board. And then take a large circle. And then we're going to take the 2 sides and fold them up. So it makes like this cone shape. And then we're going to take the top and fold it down. So it makes something like this. And then we're going to fold it in half. So we get this, and then when we put it on the board, we're going to make sure that this point right here is going to be in the center. These edges should line up with the guidelines. So it should look like that. Okay, so it should look like that. And then we're going to turn over the board. Okay, so it should look like that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the second layer. So take a circle and then fold the 2 sides up. And it should look like a cone. And then take the top and fold it down. Then fold it in half. and they should just go right on top of the large petal, like that. Okay, so it should look like this, and then we're going to turn over the board one more time. Okay, so just going to fix some of the top petals. Okay, so then we're going to take the stick and the inner ring, put the inner ring on the stick, carefully find the center, and you're just going to push it in. Okay, so I'm gonna move the boulders and then turn it over and fold the pieces back. Take the gem back, put it in, and then snap in the gem. And then we're gonna take the felt donut, peel off the back, and then put it on. Okay, so now the bird of paradise can also be used as a pinwheel decoration. So if you have a skewer, then you can make a pinwheel decoration out of the bird of paradise. So you can turn it over and then open the hair clip and put the skewer in the center and close the hair clip, and that gives you a pinwheel. Yay, you just made your first Fablossom bird of paradise.